If you're watching this, chances are you've come across a video by Dr. Norbert Miles discussing the Navy tooth repair hack. But what exactly is this hack, and can it genuinely help address your dental and gum issues? This video dives deep into uncovering the truth behind this intriguing concept. Stick with us to the end to fully grasp what it entails and how you can initiate it yourself. Understanding the Navy tooth repair hack. Origins and background. Navy divers face a unique dental condition termed diver's mouth syndrome due to prolonged underwater exposure. However, unlike average civilian scuba divers, naval divers boast some of the strongest and healthiest gums and teeth. Why? Before diving missions, they consume a specialized mixture of plants and minerals that significantly reduce their chances of developing dental issues. What is the Navy tooth repair hack? Essentially, the Navy tooth repair hack involves a concoction of plants and minerals that Navy divers chew on during their missions. This mix is designed to protect their teeth and gums from erosion and decay by ensuring optimal oxygenation and nourishment. Addressing dental issues. The root problem: poor oxygenation. Even if you're not a diver, similar dental issues can arise due to poor oxygenation. Bacteria accumulating in the mouth can be inhaled or consumed, which then travel down to the lungs. Over time, these bacteria compound, causing inflammation and reducing oxygen flow within the respiratory and circulatory systems. As a result, less oxygen reaches your gums and teeth, rendering them fragile and prone to decay. The domino effect of poor oxygenation. Once oxygen levels are insufficient, the body prioritizes vital organs such as the brain, heart, liver, and kidneys, leaving teeth and gums deprived. Deprived of oxygen, the blood vessels supporting these areas become fragile and eventually die out, leading to a cascade of dental issues such as bleeding, decay, and weakened teeth, much like the diver's mouth syndrome. The solution: Denticore Soft Chewables. Introducing Denticore. Dr. Norbert Miles studied the diet and supplements of Navy divers and developed Denticore, a powerful gum and teeth restoring chewable. This product aims to address the root cause of dental decay by enhancing oxygenation and nourishment for gums and teeth. Denticore's mechanism of action. Denticore works by first cleansing the respiratory system and the oral cavity of bad bacteria. It then nourishes the blood vessels and tissues, ensuring that oxygenated blood reaches and revitalizes your gums and teeth. This regeneration process eliminates bleeding, pain, and bad breath, ensuring optimal oral health. Key ingredients of Denticore. Shilajit, a herbomineral renowned for combating oxygen deficiency. Shilajit has been used for millennia to treat altitude sickness. It is an exceptional blood purifier, rich in 85 essential minerals that revitalizes your vessels, gums, and teeth. Peppermint. With over 70% menthol content, peppermint helps dissolve mucus and bacteria clusters in the lungs, cooling inflammation and enhancing oxygen flow to gum tissues. Fulvic acid. Derived from decomposed prehistoric plants, fulvic acid clears residual bacteria from your respiratory system and boosts the absorption of healing ingredients by your gums and teeth, combating periodontal disease effectively. Chlorophyllin and chlorella. Chlorophyll has been used to treat slow-healing wounds and act as an internal deodorant for over 50 years, promoting oxygen transport. Chlorella, rich in RNA and DNA, encourages cell growth, tightening teeth, and preventing gum bleeding. Boron citrate complex. This micronutrient enhances wound healing by 67%, improves tooth density, and forms an antibacterial layer to ward off future infections. Copper. Copper plays a critical role in inhibiting enzymes that degrade connective tissue in teeth, preventing decay and gum disease while enhancing tooth mineral density. How to access Denticore. Denticore Soft Chewables, packed with the ingredients from the Navy tooth repair hack, are exclusively available on Dr. Norbert Miles' official website, link in the description. They are not listed on other platforms like Amazon. A month's supply costs approximately $69, but prices may vary, so verify before purchasing. If you're interested, you can visit the official website by clicking the link in the description. Will Denticore work for you? Though Dr. Miles claims Denticore has benefited thousands, there is no absolute guarantee it will work for everyone. The only way to find out is to try it yourself, especially since Dr. Miles offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Understanding the Navy tooth repair hack and its benefits can be a game changer for your dental health. Incorporating Denticore into your routine might be the solution you've been searching for to maintain strong, healthy teeth and gums. Wishing you the best in your dental health journey.